Are you hesitating buying lease land on Aruba? Don't worry, I got you. In this video, I will explain you the difference between lease land and property land. I am Joseph Pokorny, the one-stop shop eco-realtor of Aruba. I help clients reach sustainable goals with my eco solutions. What is lease land? Lease land was given to people, to the locals, based on if they couldn't buy a property. So you get a property free from the government and you lease it. You lease that property for 60 years. So it's granted for 60 years, and after 60 years, it's going further. So it never stops. It's a lease that continues. The only thing that happens after 60 years, they're going to check the difference in price. New lease land is not given to everybody. It got certain rules, and a couple of those rules are, for example, you have to build 30% of the property. So if your property is 500 square meters, you have to build a house of 150 square meters. So those are really important things. For the rest, everybody can buy lease land, so that's good for you to know. So you don't have to worry about that. The difference between property land and lease land is that you pay $1, approximately $1 per square meter more every year on lease. So that's the only thing. You pay that for 60 years. On lease land, you can only build one house. So when you have a design, it needs to look like one house. It needs to have one entrance, and that's really important when you do a permit. You cannot do an allotment on lease land, and you cannot build more houses on lease land because it's made only for residency. You also have commercial lease land, and that are, for a couple of examples of that are, for example, the hotels, commercial properties, and you can apply for that at the government. Normal lease land is only for homeowners. A good thing for you, if you are local or non-local, we all can buy lease land. And the best thing is to buy lease land with a property on it. Like the most expensive properties in Aruba are lease land, and those are, for example, in Tierra Sol, next to the beach, especially places in North, are all lease land. I even live in a lease land. It's got no problems. It was specially made for locals. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm Joseph Pokorny, the one-stop shop realtor.